Hello, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am sharing the process for the project for my video for tomorrow. I was going to do them all together, but it ended up being too long. So today I'm going to give you the project, and then tomorrow I'm going to be talking about how I'm using that project to keep myself organized. So what tomorrow is all about is calendar blocking. I am so obsessed with calendar blocking. It's been working really well for me, but at the beginning it was really hard for me to get it to work in my paper planner. Everything I had ever seen was digital, people using their digital calendar to use calendar blocking, and it was really hard for me to transfer that to paper. But since I got it done, I wanted to share that with you, so we'll be talking about that tomorrow. For now though, enjoy this process video. It's with a fantastic Good Vibes collection from Carpe Diem, so check it out. If you'd like to see some photos of the finished projects, you can pop over to the link that's in the description below. That'll take you to the blog post. There's also a bit more information about what I do and how I did it. Enjoy the video, get motivated, and don't forget to come back tomorrow to make sure that you don't miss a thing. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when the video comes out. If you're new here, I do videos like this where I make projects to make my planner pretty, but I also have videos to help you keep organized and productive. So I like a planner that's pretty, puts a smile on my face, keeps me motivated, but also great systems and plans to keep me organized. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.